Good evening or morning or afternoon. Yes, so welcome to my channel. My name is Ali Jamil. As you all know, today I'm not having a good hair day, but you know, it's fine. So today I want to show you, I bought something a week ago. I got it from Zara. They don't have my size. My size is always one bigger. You never know. The waist is 30 sometimes it's 32, sometimes 36. You don't know. I got this beautiful jumper. First when I saw it, it was 45 pounds and I was like, girl, I'm not paying 45,000 pounds. 45. I said I'm not paying 45 pounds. But because of this lockdown and stuff and summer coming, reduced to 20 pounds, medium. It didn't fit me well. I liked it to be a little bit loose. I had to return it, and then finally my the size L is here, so I'm gonna open it now and you will see what is going on here. It's all sealed and let's open it. So I'm gonna pause the video that I have how I returned it. Okay, so here it is. Maybe I should tilt it down, no? I'm wearing pajamas. Who cares? So here it is. Nice packaging. The open hand. And voila la la. Oh my god. So here's the jumper. Oh my god, I love it. The color, it goes from, it's very pastel. It's very, I don't know what color it is, but it's this holographic color, you know. It's just so nice. This would be really nice with the white trousers, which I happen to have it. Now I'm gonna put it on and see how it is. Oh my god. I love it. It's very loose, very nice. I'm trying to find my white trousers, which is behind this camera, which is a huge deal to get it out. So give me a second, I will be back. Oh, okay. So this is my white trousers. I bought it a couple months ago as well, in January. So let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, it's so cool. We like it. Very loose, very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna pair it with this beautiful socks. Look at the color, and then I'll show you how it goes. So, what do you think? I'm just going on Zara.com. See, they have two colors as well. Yeah, this one. See, it's quite loose. Specification: long sleeve knit sweater with round neckline and ripped trims. Yeah, and it doesn't have anything else. But that's it actually. They are not saying much about it, so basically it's made in Turkey. 63% is cotton and then the rest is polyester. I think it's just, that's why it's a little bit stretchy as well. But the thing is, you see, I think it's not loose enough. It's just loose. I have another jumper from Zara, very loose, which I love. It's black and white. I'll show you one day. I was wearing it when I went for my birthday to Rome. But this is cool. but like if you want to make it stretchy, you just do that a little bit, and I guess it will just stretch out. You can wash it on 30 degrees and you can iron it as well, but on one, and the rest are nothing. And what do I think about it? I think it's pretty good. You can wear it in spring evenings, like today I went to the park. On the way back it would be nice. Now going out is not a thing, but it's nice when you go to work, or if you have something. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.